Hello all, this is Nandhini, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science at Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now we are going to discuss about Evolutionary Process Model in SDLC life cycle. So let's we discuss. So the evolutionary process model, it is based on the concept of making an initial product and then evolving the software product over time. So these iterative and incremental approaches with proper feedback and evolutionary model. And in this type of model, the product will go through the several iterations and come up when the final product is built through multiple iterations. So this development is carried out simultaneously with the feedback during the development. So this model has a number of advantages such as customer involvement, taking feedback from the customer during development and building the exact product with the user wants. And because of the multiple iterations, so the changes of errors when they get reduced and it provide the proper output. So this is the visual representation diagram for evolutionary process model. So next one is types of evolutionary process model. So it classified into three types. There are iterative model, incremental model, spiral model. So let's be discuss one by one. So the first one is iterative model. So in this iterative model, so we take the initial requirements, then we enhance the product over multiple iterations until the final product gets ready. So in this iteration model, first we gathered the requirements, then we design and development the product. Next one is testing the phase, and the last one is implementation in the first step. So in every iteration, some design modifications were made and some changes in functional requirements is added. So the main idea behind this approach is to build the final product through multiple iterations that result in the final product being almost the same as the user wants, with fewer errors, and the performance and quality would be high. And the second model is incremental model. So the incremental model, so this is the second stage. So first we build the project with the basic features and then evolve the project in every iteration. So it is mainly used for large projects. So the first step is to gather the requirements and then perform the analysis, design, code and test. And this process goes the same over and over again until our final project is ready. So this is the visual representation diagram for incremental model. And next one is spiral model. So the spiral model, it is a combination of waterfall model and iterative model. Then we focused on risk handling along with developing the project with the incremental and iterative approach, then it producing the output quickly, as well as it is good for big projects. So the software is created through multiple iterations using a spiral approach. Later on, after successive development, the final product will develop and the customer interaction is there, so that chances of error get reduced. So in the spiral model, it is it has four stages. There are object determination and identify the alternative solution, and the second stage, identify and resolve the risk, and third stage, develop next version of the product, and the fourth stage, review and plan for the next phase. So these are the types for evolutionary process model. And next one is assessment. So the first one is explain the concept of evolutionary model and list out the types of evolutionary model. And these are the reference. Thank you.